got an upgrade to the 3-wheeler. Mic, police siren, traffic siren, ambulance, fire alarm, and you can talk and press this button right here and talk into it. It was cheap. So we got it, and it's right in there. See it there? There it is. So we put it under here right in front of the axle. There it is. So took the wire, ran it up right through there. Got it hooked up to the battery. So, and then we took the wire for the handheld microphone, and we ran it under the gas tank, right up to here. Here it is. And then took a little wire so we had something to attach to, and turned out pretty good. I like it. So I'll show you some of the noises here it makes. It's also got a horn. So it's got that noise. It's got an ambulance. Traffic. Fire alarm. And then it's got a honking noise. You can see it's pretty loud, so it goes up really loud. But it's pretty sweet. So hooked it up and turned out nice. But yeah, I just ran it from right under there up to under the seat into the battery. And it's right under there. But it turned out nice. I like it. Got it for free anyways. But it was pretty cheap. So I thought I'd put it on there. So be looking forward to using it. But you just turn it on from the side. You see? And then you can talk into it and stuff. It's a little bit loud for around here. Like and share this video. If you like the channel, subscribe. Check out some of my other videos, and if you're an old member of the channel, please tell your family and your friends about this channel. And once I get some more subscribers, I'll get some more videos out there for you. So thanks for watching.